So we recently had a trip to Osaka, and gusto ko lang i-share kung saan kami nagstay because this might help you to get an idea if you're also planning to visit Osaka, Japan. We stayed at Hotel Sobial Namba Daikokucho, and here are a few reasons why this hotel is worth considering for your next Osaka trip. Number 1. Best ang location. Ang hotel na to ay katabi lang ng Daikokucho subway station, so it was super convenient for us to explore Osaka City. Pwede ka rin mag-day trips to Kyoto and Nara from here. Number 2. Decent room size. They say most hotels in Japan are small, but not this one. We got a twin bedroom with a table, city view, separate yung shower and toilet which I really like. May hanger for clothes, kettle, mini fridge, and they even provide pajamas na super comfortable. Number 3. Value for money. What I really love about our stay is the facilities. They have an onsen. So kakatapos ko lang mag-onsen guys, and grabe. Sobrang nakaka-relax. Sarap tulog natin ito mamaya. Cute toiletries setup, may free tea and snacks sa lobby in the evening, and the staff are super friendly and helpful. And of course, the breakfast. Grabe ang sarap and ang dami ng options. Kaya for me, super worth it talaga yung ibabayad mo.